This is a very simple example of overloading a function. Overloading a function is when more than one function has the same name. When you overload a function, there should be limited use for this. Both functions should really have the same purpose. So you could see in this case I have two display functions. One of them is going to display one number and one's going to display two numbers. So I could certainly give them different names like display 1 and display 2, but here I've given them the same name. And the compiler can figure out which of the two functions to call based on the parameter list. So in this case, the call to this display function only has one argument, so the compiler knows it should call this display function. This call to the display function has two arguments, so the compiler knows it should call this display function. So if you run it, you'll see that, I'll run it here so you can see that it works, right? Your number is 5, your numbers are 10 and 15. Again, there's limited uses for this. We do more with this in Programming Logic 2 once we get into C++ classes, but it's a good point just to introduce overloading functions.